Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video, and in this video I'll introduce app. It's called Monkey Random Video Chat. So random video chat with cool people, live video call and make friends with Monkey. So the motto of this app, and this all about the gathering. If you want to meet someone and your friends globally, then you will find here. If you feel bored, then this app will be perfect for you. So you can see the name of the app, Monkey Random Video Chat. You can download and install this app from Google Play Store or App Store. And 4.1 rating of the app and 56k reviews, 85 megabyte. And the good thing is 10 million plus people already use this application. Okay, so if we see, then you can see 15-second quick chat. So it's like introductory, only 15 second. First swipe up to me to crash. So 2 more chat in pairs and share your amazing moments. So you can share your story with your friends and stranger. Knock a mess and text. So you'll get a lot of facilities here, and it's really easy to use. You just need to install and then sign up through your Google account or Gmail. Then you can use, and I will guide you how to use this application in upcoming tutorials. Okay friend, today is Norman. See you in the next video.